So this will be a room tour of room 1109 here at the Hampton Inn and Suites in downtown Cleveland, Ohio. This is the room key right here. So I'm gonna tap it here. Okay, so I figured I'd start here in the bathroom. Would you mind holding it? So this is the bathroom right here. As you can see, you have a shower with an arch shower curtain. This is the inside of the shower. You can see you have stuff there. A grab handle and a spot over here to put your soap. The shower is all tiled, which I like. Here's a shower head. This is a spot where you could put your towels, and you can also hang them down there. That right there is the toilet paper roll holder. Then you have your sink here, which is also a Kohler, and you can see the dish where you put your bar of soap, some other stuff as well. There's me in the mirror. Nice lights up there. On the door, you have a nice mirror here. There's a nice picture. Now we move to the main bedroom. So this over here is a view that faces to another building, as you can see. And then this is the air conditioning unit, which is it's a General Electric. And this one, it's controlled by the wall thermostat, which we'll see in a minute. And this is the little cabinet that they have right here. You can see a TV, which I'm not going to turn on. And these are all drawers right here. And here's the TV remote. This is a little closet here, complete with, I think that's some bedding up there, and then you have some hangers, an ironing board, and an iron down there if you wanted to iron clothes while you were staying. There's a picture. Nice lamp over there. We have 2 beds here, as you can see. These were very comfy. I had a really good sleep here. Standard hotel telephone and a charging port if you want to charge up your electronics or plug something in. This lamp, you can turn on the lights. There's a outlet as well. Then that's the other bed right there. Here you have a little alarm clock. Okay, and there's nothing in that drawer there, so I'm not going to show that. Nice picture. And this is where you control the air conditioning unit. There's a little thermostat here. And then you have a smoke alarm and I think that's a fire alarm, that speaker. And there's a fire sprinkler. There's me in the mirror again. And then this is the other part. This couch is a sofa sleeper. Then you have a little sitting area. Nice ceiling fan. And then you can see you have a lamp there and a coffee maker, an ice crate. I think that stuff is for the coffee or tea, I think. There's an office chair. Another lamp. Nice painting as well. More, you can see I think that's a bench and a chair. This is a mini fridge right here, which is nice. And a microwave and another TV. Now I don't think there's anything in those drawers, but I think I've pretty much shown everything. So very nice hotel. We stayed here on a small short trip. Very good location too. Staff were friendly, very clean. And I should also mention this is a room that we got. As you can see in the beginning, it's near the elevators, which is really nice. Although the only thing is at night you can hear them moving. But yeah, so that will be about it for this hotel tour. Hope you enjoyed it.